Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys another unit we have in stock. This is a 2018 CargoPro Stealth 8.5 by 28 all aluminum trailer. We're also going to show you guys how versatile this trailer is and how easy it is to load a car. This one is stock number 14495. This is an amazing price on this trailer for what it does and what it is at $24,977 plus tax. The weight of this unit is extremely light because it is all aluminum. It's still heavy duty. You guys can see it's on an 8-inch frame, so heavy duty frame, but all aluminum. Weight on this unit is only 3,810 pounds, where your traditional 28 trailer with heavy axles is going to weigh somewhere around 5,000 to 6,000 pounds. So major weight savings. This one's on an extended triple tube tongue that you guys can see right there. It's going to give you guys a good turning radius as well. Polished aluminum corners. Rounded front cap, you've got the diamond plate rock guard along the bottom. Side door does come with the RV lock. They also upgrade their bar lock, so this is an upgraded locking hasp right here where you guys can see that right there. You also have the RV lock that still gives you a lock, a latch, and a set of keys. You also have the upgraded door holdbacks hardware. It's all aluminum, which is those two pieces right there. Smooth skin silver exterior. It's beautiful in person. You also have a polished aluminum strip just to add a little bit of extra jazz to the trailer. This one also is equipped with two 7,000-pound torsion spread axles, 16-inch tires and wheels, aluminum wheels as well. That torsion axle gives you guys an independent suspension underneath the trailer, so the trailer's going to ride and tow better, and then by distributing that weight, it's going to cut down on any wagging and swaying that can occur. So an optimal towing experience with this unit as well. Plus you get the really cool skirting along the bottom. Side vents. This one also has the really cool rear canopy with a ton of load lights. You've got the LED load lights up there and the canopy look on the trailer. And again, extra height in this unit as well. This has got a 7-foot 10-inch interior height with a 7.7 rear door opening. You also have the benefits of this amazing side escape door. This is a big, huge awning door that folds up. Couple of different benefits with this side door right here, being here with the escape door. It's great for low profile vehicles, as we're going to show you guys in a second, but it's also great for Jeeps and buggies. If you guys have a wider, taller vehicle, you can pull this interior fender off and drive right over the tires and wheels. And we're going to show you the benefits of the low profile vehicle by being able to get in and swing your door over those tires and wheels. So as he's getting the trailer ready, you guys can see it's super simple. A couple of screws, the fender pops right off. It's as easy as that. We're gonna come inside and then we'll load the car and show you guys that as well. Transition flap on here, which is gonna help for the lower profile vehicles. This is also a Nudo floor with Drymax underneath. This is one of the most durable floors we can stick in a trailer. It's got this amazing coating on top, which is extremely durable, but the Drymax underneath the trailer as well, which gives you guys the protection of not having plywood underneath your trailer. You also have vinyl walls, one-piece aluminum roof with some overhead lighting. There is a spare tire already mounted. Here's a toggle switch. That's going to turn on your really cool load lights. And then you guys can see right here, this adds so much additional width with being able to pull in to get around those fenders. So great feature. Upper and lower all aluminum cabinets. You've got a nice countertop and workspace. 4 D-rings right here. This toggle switch is going to turn on your overhead lights. Backside that RV lock does have a lock, a latch, and a set of keys. And we're going to spin around and have them pull in. You guys can see how easy it is. Now the beauty is, once we've got this car in here, you guys can check it out. We've got a fender on this side, which your traditional lower profile vehicles are not going to clear that fender. But the beauty of having this one gone is you guys can see that side door opens up right into that opening right there, easy as can be. You don't have to worry about clearing a fender because you've got plenty of room. So great overall use of a trailer. Again, lots of uses. Good for bigger vehicles, big for lower vehicles. And again, you just get amazing quality with the Stealth brand anyway. So here it is. If you guys are in the market for a new trailer, as always, give us a call, 303-688-8485, or you can check us out online, coloradotrailersinc.com. And be sure to like and subscribe.